2020 and will march toward Tipra Motha under the banner of chairmanship of our Maharaja for the Burma. We, on behalf of the Atisa, we declare from today onwards, we will be working under the banner of Tipra Motha, whereas there is no any conflicts between our organizations. We all know and we have understood the clear pictures of the past and present and futures for the development and for the survival of our Tiprasa, the demand of Tipra land or the greater Tipra land. It is the unique Tipra land, and we only see under the leadership of our Maharaja, it is possible for getting our own demand. So therefore, we Atisa, from today onwards, we dissolve, and all the committee that we have, 21 divisions comprising all Tipra, and the central committee, there are some included over here and some present. Here, working president Biolal Nahatia, here, AGS Ronjit Molson, and AGS Rakesh Devolma, and Central Committee Organizing Secretary Kokendra Devolma, here's Organizing Secretary Poncho Mohan Murasing, and Budrai Devolma. And there are more due to some communication due to coronavirus, we are unable to come there on present. Most of them doesn't get the card pass, due to that we delay. And those don't think that we only the few persons, those who present are marching toward the Tipra Motha. But this is under our meeting and resolve and decision taken that we all the committee will be from today onward will march toward the Tipra Motha. And that's all. Ulana sampai marwal joko ani media ising sono ini sing Atisa jemo tahu tangmani student organization IBP ni kaisa allied organization banner tolawo tangmani sing ini hai salo sing subai dekha silor bus kango joto central committee member tangwa president AGS Thai committee central committee Hanayo sung committee hoite se kaise meeting like kaise ni student organization hoite central committee meeting I executive committee was sung regional like joto enter 21 divisions Thai central committee joto existence tongai ro bharan sidan tona like sung buskang ni movement Thai Tipra no baike tunani ba greater Tipra no baike acquire khainani abuno toile sing alojona khaimani bisingo sing abuno mukha Maharaja ni leadership ni bisingte sing abo sobo mona tango abuni bagaini sing ini ni simi sing additional result painai sebagai sing Tipra Motha ba Tipra Motha sing join ni sinai tai Tipra Motha rongo ba ko pobna musungo Cikon tongne rano sung ada bobagan bising tike sung transan bising tike maitamo sung agi rogo sung saimalia baksa borok bujilia umi tongmano aburono esa wan sugine sung greater transan ni bagai greater interest di prasan bogine joton abu ni package saw abuno ani musung abu simia sing kina bobishot no sung nasi tangkang te sung kunu jaga tu kana sung motor bujangani motor kure sini boba garana tare boba garanka kaisa osani boba gra kaisa sinang ni bagani sin ti prasan bagai kaisa leadership hero bo khalai kyang tesen musa kaisa sung mana abuno sung bisas kainai sung Atisa ro abu kai ene was salo sung IPF de Tipra Motha ni sung join kai asim
Aja nok to I-50 bedak sing no I-50 wo nok musa sak sawi de kabu kaba semua thang chinan only sawi to
जों already जों sini meeting of decision na kan IPF sini meeting of जों supply jar dong sini meeting of pop dong abo no जों salaine जों sidan to kalaine जों
So you say you are joining with Tipra Motha Phai. Previously you were working with IPF. Do you think the leaders from the IPF have failed to meet the demand which was raised 3 to 5 years back while they contested in the 2018 election? Also the recent elections in the TTADC where we have seen the youth have come in support of Tipra. So do you think these two reasons are why you have joined the Tipra?
That is not accurate, but in some constant there is the truth behind it. But the thing is, the IPFG worked and they lived tirelessly for the liberation of Tipra land for 11 years. We appreciate on that deals that they have done. But on occasions of 11 years, we have seen few movements only organized by IPFG. That due to lack of the movement, that the demand is rises, and after that, the Tiprasa inquire or in which place we to settle. On that occasion, we observe that is a curiously observed and viewpoint that we need a greater movement for the greater interest for any upliftment of our Tiprasa. We need the movement that need to secure so early. So IPFT can fix out their target, and they have come upon on 2018 as a part of the government. Due to that they delay or might be they forget the movement. Due to that we just left.
So your comment has saying that IPF has failed miserably to fulfill its demands, Tipra land.
Now, of course, that everyone of the Tipasa people they know this. The IPFT demand has become declining day by day, and due to that, we compelled to join to another organization so that we need to upgrade more movement for the betterment of the Tipasa and for the liberation of greater Tipraland or greater Tipraland.
How are you looking forward to work with Tipra Motha?
Pardon?
How are you looking forward to work with your team with Tipra Motha?
I also under the banner of the Bubagra, we hope so there will be a unit and there will be a succession in viewpoint in further in future also, and we hope that under his leadership will surely get our demands into positivity. Sini kuno orang aro student na tona organizational da to aka yugo da tona abo kuno seni ako sini ideology sini boba grano all round sing surrender khaika je jago suno bo tamu panya muso abno no gobong khani ya pre na ko yugo da roho bo student organization da roho to bo kai sing kaisa kuno kaisa committee khaiba no sing kaisa greater movement of Kanani, Basini, the target of Kanani domination, abnormalization.
Hasta kan so IPF to khata Tipra mana ne kuno samo mana kre amai de one shot na bomai one to tin boa gran khanto
Ini abuno sungane musuo IPF ti joto borong no saibano sunga samu sumani ko IPF ti no nasi bi joto borong no saibano sansa ya ba thamse ne borong sung boba response paga joto borong no assemble khaika ya ba IPF ti dubai go ngene thamsa himalaya aro sunglai no kha mudru sa mo BJP we congress sing different manager abo sini ko kawo confusion ngakai judi no sung sarkaro samene judi no ma ke tongna kai sini demand no sung sukmai rohmani no sako ko ngakai jehetu sini habu wagra ko bo niji agi bo o demand no hamse ke tabo a demand joto Tiprasa rongo naisi dine bo abuno rice paika Tiprasa hamkai ni bogene ta sing abuno naisi dine ni misi tike sing join paika Aka bono fly mana na hai ma un sukini sumboro to.
IPF to hai sang juri khai tong thinanga IPF te tu tong na bo hai wan chungni
Abo bung ne depan IPF di party ni abo sing saya wo yo borong identity borong ala pro wan sunai borong strategy borong ala party.